Hello everyone, this is Daria from Kaya Academy and welcome to my video and welcome to my channel. So as you can see from the title and from my screen, today what we're doing is we're gonna learn about StoryLab, which is an amazing app. Like, this is an Insta story art maker for Instagram. Like, even not just only for stories, even you can share those things in your feed, which I'm just gonna show you how. StoryLab is an Instagram stories editor and a design kit. Offers like 400 plus IG story and 300 plus feed templates to help you create beautiful IG collage layouts and stories for Instagram story create. So unique Insta story and IG post will be made with these templates, or it can be made with an, like as you can see from here, I will show you on Avatar app to Canva, and you can customize it with Insta story style filter or overlay, tags, stickers, brush. We have a lot of options. In using StoryLab, it is super easy to design something amazing for your IG stories, your Insta post, and even IG highlight cover icons and logo for your Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, and Snapchat. But I don't know is there some people still using Snapchat. So as you can see, this is how the main page looks like when you download your app. And from here we have as you can see, we have this fire all. We have like 600 templates here that we can just choose. Let's choose this one, and from here to here you're gonna upload you're gonna click and you can upload anything from your camera roll. And here actually you can style it, you can notch, or you can change it from keyboard. You can change the art, the font. Let's say we go something like this. We can change the color. We can go something like this. I'm not trying to make it look nice for now. So we can nudge it actually like this and this, or we can even, you see, we can change from here. We can make it little, big, anything we want. So let's close this one. We can play with the opacity, you see, and but after, if you want those changes saved, you have to click tick. You can duplicate it, put it somewhere else, maybe here, or you can just delete what you have done, or even this one, delete. You can so this, when you click there, when you click to this icon, it's actually giving you how it's going to be looking. And let's assume this is how you use the templates. No, I don't want to use it. These ones, as you can see, they're for your stories, because when it comes to our stories, they're actually a rectangle, but when it comes to our feed, it's more like a square. So as you can see, we have a lot of, you see, these ones are like I believe this is like Muharram is a month in Islam, but I'm not sure. I don't really know every detail, so I guess this one is just designed for those ones, because I'm looking at it and it's a lot about mosques and stuff like that, so it can be about that. And most probably, if it would be Ramadan, it would be Ramadan, or if it would be Christmas, there could be Christmas. So this is how we do it. And we have, you see, they're amazing filters. I love every of them. I love them. There are filters we can use. You see, I like this one. We have we can make our pictures look like Polaroids from here, or we have some minimal designs. I like this one. Looks like Billie Eilish. You see, I love them, and I don't even have to go. And let's assume that you have a business, maybe you have a boutique account. You can also use these ones. Or you can, as I told you, I will also show you how to create your own. So here we can keep going, and you will see more and more technology, paper, girlish, elegant, festivals. We have a lot of topics. So we also have the ones for our feed. Maybe we just want to share it. We can also, what we do is we come here and choose it. You see, you will just upload your pictures here. And highlights is, you know, in your profile, if you have some highlight stories, you can change their you can, as you can see, there's a lot of them. Maybe for your photographer and you want to use this for your sunset pictures, that sunset highlights, you can use this for maybe you're taking eyes. You know, it's all about you, or you love food just like I do, and you can just be sharing everything under this. It is all up to you, but as you realize, it's like they all have their own style in themselves. So you can go down, or when you go down and you're like, I am very down and how am I gonna scroll back? You don't need to. You're just gonna click here and it's gonna take you to the top. So let's assume, by the way, let's assume that we have chosen, right? It's not like we cannot. This one is monthly. As you can see, the premium prices here. Let's assume that we have chosen this one, right? It doesn't mean just because we have chosen this that we cannot play with it. We can actually, except for uploading our picture. This is just one. We can also use our cutout stickers. You see, you can make them, like you can play with them. Let's make it again. Maybe, you know, then you're gonna put your picture here, or you can go from here. But of course, if you have to, click save. But since this one is a pro, and right now I haven't even signed in, but I'm pretty sure once you use this app, you will love it and you will actually go for that. Even if you don't go premium, it still has a lot of things that you can do. So you can use anything from here, and after you're done, what you're gonna do is click here to say what you did. But let's assume that you wanna create something from the scratch, right? What you're gonna do is you're gonna click here, story or feed. You can choose. I'm gonna go with story. Okay, from here we're gonna choose a background. We have a lot of backgrounds and we have tones and stuff like that, as you can see from here. But I'm gonna go with this. I'm just doing something for now, you know, and I will not put a media right now. I can put a text. Let me make it a bit bigger. Not another one. And now I will double tap to edit this text. Before that, let's put the stickers, some stickers that just doing things, you know, not even trying for it to look nice, just trying to show you guys how to do it. And we can add an outline. You see, even we can add outline for stickers, and we can choose which color we want it to be. Okay, all right. If we can nudge or do anything we want. We can play with the opacity from here. Then let's go with, when we say brush, what we do is, let's say we've chosen this one, right? You can put, you know, just you can do anything you feel like you're doing. And let's say this is amazing for me. Let me play with the opacity a bit. Okay, so as you can see, it looks amazing. You see, I played with the opacity and it looks like this. That's all. And now the only thing you gotta do is clicking download, or you can do even more and good things, or you can just delete it from here. It's all up to you. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions about it, ask me on the comments. I'll come down there, answer your questions. Also, let me know about your suggestions, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button. So see you guys in my next videos.